We're called Modern Nature from the UK. This is, well, Jeff's not from the UK.
That's true. Sorry.
He's from here, yeah. Jeff Tobias on the electric bass guitar. My name's Jack Cooper. It's good to be here. Pleasure to be here in New York City. Wow. Just an English boy here in New York City. What a thrill, what a thrill. Did I? Lost track. Jim Wallis on drums. My associate Tara Cunningham on guitar. This is called Plans.
Yeah.